Hi, I'm Jenny. The holiday season has arrived once again, and it's time to prepare a great-looking website with perfect upsell and cross-sell offers to maximize the holidays' revenue. With the Qikify Upsell, Cross-sell app, you can create an attractive discount offer and tailor it to match your brand. Let's explore how we can do it. Before customizing the style of your upsell and cross-sell offers, you need to create the offers first. To create offers, go to the Manage Extensions page and select the suitable offer type, such as cross-sell, upsell, product bundle, or order goal. Once you have created your offers, you can go to the styling page to redesign them. On the styling page, you can set up the display rules for the pop-up and embed layout. You can also select pre-designed templates in the app to apply to your offers. If you want to design your own template to match your brand, scroll down to the Styles card. Here, you can change the color of each component in the offer by using the color picker or pasting the color scheme to the color scheme fields. Once you are satisfied with your design, you can save your settings and see how it looks on your storefront. Now the new design is applied on your storefront. By doing this, you can show off your upsell, cross-sell offers in a Christmas to attract more and more customers to your store and double your sales. You can install our Upsell Cross-sell app from Shopify App Store to apply this campaign for your e-business. Happy upselling and see you in next videos.